All right, so Dexter is ready. We are almost all packed. We're gonna go pick up his best friend Levi and head to Festival Country, Indiana. So we will see you soon. So, we are at another attraction. We have these nice kite murals. They go all the way down, all the way to the boys, who are, by the way, stuck in the ground. Their leashes are stuck to hold them secure. So we got murals, got Ben Franklin, and actually another kite spot. And this was just around the corner. The other kites were on the left side of Ben. So we are exploring downtown Franklin, Indiana. Gonna go check out that caboose. And the boys are hanging out with Chris while the mama takes some photos and video. We are at Depot Park. And the boys think they're gonna go for a ride. Good boys. We have a plaque, City of Franklin platted in 1823. Alright, so we are enjoying our day. Levi and Chris are checking things out. And we have the nice sun with us too. Perfect day to explore Franklin. Alright, so we are going to cross and check out the courthouse and a few other little photo ops over there. So we are checking out the courthouse, and they're being such good boys, posing for treats. So there's the Franklin clock with, I believe, the courthouse in the background, which is a pretty stunning building. We are at Province Park here in Franklin, Indiana. So we have this nice little gazebo area. And the puppers, yeah, are saying hello and stretching their legs. Gonna mark their territory. And we're gonna walk around. Oop, and here's some doggies walking. Nice Sheltie and their family taking a walk. Nice day. Investigating. There goes Levi. He's on a roll. Look at him go. And we are early in the season, so as you can see over here, things are starting to sprout. We saw some people working in the park gardening. So it's probably about time to get Dexter out of the garden area. So we just stopped in at Province Dog Park here in Franklin, Indiana. We won't be able to go in because we don't have access, but I did just want to go ahead and show you that there is an option. And I'm sure that if you're traveling, you can probably ahead of time make arrangements and get a pass. But that's okay because our pups aren't big dog park dogs anyway. But since nobody was here, we thought it'd be fun to go in. And there's nice little picnic tables. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit here. Some little fun mini agility. But it's right inside the Province Park, so that's actually what we're going to be focusing on anyway. Looks like Levi wants to go sniff around, so we'll just walk outside here a little bit and then go to the other part of the park. So they're going at it. Two of them were yelling at each other. The water's really moving. This is just across from the dog park. There's a nice paved path that for sure goes around the park. I think it even goes further than just this park. We'll have to look it up online. So there's the dog park. A little 360 for you. And the little bridge with all the fun murals. Murals! They are buddies. They like to be next to each other.
Oh, and no one can't be outdoing the other. Peeing wise, you know, finding the person.
Yep, so let's see. Here's Dexter. And then there comes Levi. Oh, now Levi's going and the Dexter's going. Oh. And of course, there's the grass. There's the path. There's more interesting things in the grass, Mom.
I didn't say it. I didn't say it. Maybe he just thinks or assumes.
So we are at Ann's and we're gonna take some food to go. There's a couple of picnic tables over behind the restaurant. We're a little early in the season. I have a feeling that they probably put out some chairs when it gets a little warmer. But we are gonna make do. So we're gonna get something to eat and then grab the boys and go to a picnic table. All right, so we have our food and Chris got a veggie wrap. So let's take a peek. Alright, and I got an avocado turkey. And Dexter thinks it should be him. Ooh, look at that. Nice. Alright, we'll see you after lunch. This stuff looks good. Definitely looks like fresh cut chips too. Bacon. We just arrived at the Flying Cupcake. We are going to get some sweet cupcakes to go. We're gonna head back to the hotel room with our cupcakes and mow them down. So we have a full kitchen. And that is so perfect for our dogs. Why our dogs? Because they are fresh-fed dogs, so their food always needs to be refrigerated to keep fresh. And the cabinets are stocked. This is fantastic. Love having all these amenities. Makes traveling and life so much easier. I can see in the microwave. We even have popcorn and a popcorn bowl. So that is so cool. And we have a nice office area. Super cute bulletin board. That's going to be very useful. And over there's a nice chair and TV. Big window. 2 beds. Chris and Levi. And Dexter and me. Then we have a nice bathroom. Hopefully the fan won't be too much for the recording. Got necessities. Hair dryer. Really nice plush towels. And this is always nice. I just need to do a better job at realizing which places have the shampoos and stuff, so I don't have to pack mine. But very nice and appreciated. So we have our flying cupcakes. We have their famous red velvet, and then chocolate and caramel ganache. And these boys have something too. So it's nice, and if you can see, quite large. It will be split between the two multiple times. So let's see if they like it. Dexter's gonna get his nibble. Oh, and then Levi will get his nibble. Oh, that's good. Uh-oh, there goes Dexter. Dexter's like, I want some too. So they want more. We'll give them one more little bite. Okay, are you ready, boys? 1, 2, 3. No manners for cupcakes. That's okay. They're enjoying it. So then next up is Chris and I both got the, oh my gosh, it's so thick, chocolate and caramel. And then we're both going to try their Elvis red velvet cake, which is their specialty. So they have a nice candlewood cupboard, which has lots of food choices. And all you need to do is either charge your room with a slip or drop your cash in the slot. And some very reasonable prices too. You know I love my oatmeal. And some fresh fruit, it's always nice to see. And since all the rooms do have full kitchens and microwaves, they do have some frozen options. Some, I believe those are eggs and biscuits. And drinks. And then of course their coffee. So that is what I'm here for today. Steaming hot cup of coffee, ready to go. Yep, the boys have their rain jackets on. We are in Craig Park, and we're just a little bit between some rain. It's got some light sprinkles, but they are prepared, and we're gonna take a little stroll and see what we can round up. Alright, so we're definitely digging the paved paths. It's always nice. It helps not be so muddy, and also with Dexter's mobility limitations, when he's too tired, we can stroll him. But he's feeling, where is he at? He's feeling pretty spunky, so he's like, let's go. He's like, let me go, let me go. Oh, there must be a good smell over there. I must beeline and see what it is. Woo! All right, Dexy. There we go. Do have to watch out for these little prickery things. I'm telling you, really close to being a boot all the time dog. So, what's really neat is they have these shapes to help children learn. You ready? Fun. And as we walked up the little hill, there's, looks like 2 big fenced-in tennis courts. And we don't know what they're doing over there, but there's definitely some construction. There's another paved part. And a pretty extensive kids' playground. And there's lots of picnic tables and seating areas, and that gazebo has picnic tables, so it's also covered. So we are at Brick House Coffee Company, and we're gonna get some coffee to go. So our next roadside attraction is this big rocking chair. Check it out. So there's definitely no climbing on the rocking chair. It's all lit up, so it probably is lit up at nighttime. All right, so we're at our next roadside attraction. Pretty fun. We got our Sinclair dinosaur. So we are here at the Stacked Pickle in Greenwood, Indiana. And we actually just placed our order to go because they do have an outside patio, but they're still closed for the season, so we're a little early. It's something you have to consider when you travel with your dog every month, even in the winter. Sometimes we just have to take food to go, eat in the car, find a bench and just plop our butts. But it's always fun, it's always adventure, and Dexter and I will still travel every month. Alright, so we are back with our Stacked Pickle. So let's see what we got here. The boys think it's for them. Okay, so that is Chris's burger. Look at that. And then let's see what we got over here. We got our fried pickles. And then me, I ordered a flatbread veggie pizza. Yum. Nothing for you. Nothing for you. I suppose they'll have to get some kind of snack. So, in the back area of the hotel, they have these nice grills, and they are gas grills with some tables. And it is covered. It's fully covered, so if we are in there, or anyone else, no rain, no snow. They also have barbecue utensils. Nice, they think of everything here. And then right over there is the potty area that Levi's trying to decide if he, oh, Levi doesn't want to leave Dexter. So we'll go ahead and check out the potty area since Levi doesn't want to leave. Levi doesn't want to leave? Levi doesn't want to leave Dexter? All right, let's go. So they do supply a pickup station, and there's lots of area to go do their business. And then the other nice thing is, if we look up here, we do have a light, so we're not out in the dark. And this is the other part of the hotel, so there's the door. So we are at the Strange Brew, having, I did get an orange poppy seed muffin, and a green iced tea. Chris got blueberry, regular blend coffee. So remember to pause and enjoy life, and we will see you next week. Each Wednesday, Dexter and I will put on new travel content, so don't forget to hit the subscribe and click the bell, and we will see you Wednesday.